Keeping your construction site safe when kids are around is tricky but totally doable if you get the right habits down. So, first off, always treat your site like a no-kid zone and make that crystal clear to the clients from day one. This means no toys, tools, or equipment just lying around where little hands can grab them. Use physical barriers like baby gates or temporary fencing to block off dangerous areas. Make it a daily routine to do a quick safety sweep before leaving, double-checking all power tools are unplugged and stashed away in locked boxes or rooms. Communicate openly with the family about the risks and remind them gently but firmly that keeping kids supervised is on them too. Put up visible signs about the hazards so everyone remembers where not to go. If possible, schedule noisy or dangerous tasks when the family is out or the kids are at school. Keep your crew on the same page. Safety protocols aren't just suggestions, they're the rule. And lastly, document everything. Safety meetings, client warnings, and walkthroughs. It's your best backup if things go sideways. One of the biggest mistakes people make with construction site safety around kids is assuming the parents will always keep an eye on them without extra help, which leads to accidents that could have been stopped. Fix that by setting firm rules and barriers so supervision isn't just wishful thinking. Another common issue is leaving tools and equipment out where curious kids can get to them. Always store everything in locked spots or take it with you. Lastly, some contractors don't communicate clearly enough about the dangers, so families underestimate the risks. Don't be shy about laying it all out in plain talk and making sure everyone's on board. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners because it connects them with trusted local contractors who get the job done right and safe. For contractors, it's a solid way to find real work and grow their business while building a good reputation in their community.